You want to say good morning, Brock?
Brock.
Rodney, good morning.
Good night.
Oh, good
Hey
morning.
T, how you doing, bud?
Oh.
Where's your cousin? Yeah. Hey Squish. Good morning. Last day, huh? It's been a fun trip.
Where's Brocky? He claps. Where's Brocky?
Yummy.
Oh.
Yummy. Yummy.
Why aren't you doing that?
Where's
know.
Brock? Where's Brock?
Where's Brock?
There.
There's Brocky. Here's T.
Yeah.
There's those boys.
Looks like a good job of the same.
Yummy. Yummy.
Hi. Yeah. Ishi, where are the balloons? Where are the balloons? Yeah. The balloons. Balloons.
Balloons.
Balloons.
Yeah.
Balloons.
Mom will help you.
Where's Auntie Jill? Well, where are you going?
Look at this cheeky
Cheeky.
cheeky monkey.
Are you cheeky?
There's nowhere to go that way.
Going up.
Mirror.
Yes. Is that the monkey?
What does the cow say, Ishi?
What does the cow say?
I'm tired.
This dude just got out of bed. What up, dude?